Finally, we'll visit the Beijing Performing Arts Center for some amazing cultural performances. This place brings together outstanding artists to indulge the audience with a feast of art. I can hardly wait. Let's get in.
哎，咱们公共空间的演出已经开始了，
人好多呀，大家都围着在那里。
对，在春节期间，我们也会，从初2开始，每天都举办这个公共空间的演出。所以，观众朋友们啊，即使是没有购买演出的这个演出票，也可以在参观的过程中来听一场音乐会。我们会定期邀请一些特别知名的艺术家参与到我们这个公共空间的演出当中来。这个就是我们的音乐厅了，
好大呀！
对，总共有1500个坐席。您看这个坐席的造型设计，是不是有一点像欧洲的山地葡萄园？对，我们管它叫山地葡萄园式的音乐厅。它这么设计的原因呢，是为了保证每一个坐席都有更好的一个听感体验。另外呢，也是为了拉近舞台上的艺术家和观众之间的一个距离，让大家更有一种亲密感和沉浸感。
我看到他们是不是在讨论什么？
是的，这个是我们管风琴的调音师，他们正在对我们的管风琴进行技术调试。
哦，那可以过去看看吗？
没问题，没问题，这边请。
Hi, I'm from the China Internet Information Center, and I just saw that you've been discussing about this organ with your colleagues. Could you introduce a little bit about your work here?
We built this nice organ up now, and we are now here for the tonal part, so for voicing. We are already here since around 10 weeks and nearly done with the main organ here. Inside this organ there are thousands of pipes, so we adjust the pipe, we listen to it, we listen from here, we listen from inside, we listen from there, and then we discuss a little bit and we change the sound to other color or volume. It's totally different than the next one. So you need to work on all pipes in each stop, and at the end you can create the sound. Yes,
Oh,
and
that's magical.
That's why it takes so long time.
Maybe you've probably been to a lot of art centers around the world, right?
Yes.
In Austria and around the world and in China. So what do you think of this center?
The outside looking of the center is really, really nice, and also when you see like now with the library and the museum on the other side and this huge park on the other side, it's really nice. The area here in Beijing is really nice, and also so inside here the acoustic is really good for the organ. Sound is one of the most important points is the acoustic inside the hall. It's really nice here, so the organ can sound bright enough and full enough.
We visited 3 major cultural landmarks within the day. There are books, music, and exhibitions. I think it is a very meaningful way to greet the Year of the Dragon in these places, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. We welcome everyone to visit China, explore the grand and celebrate Chinese New Year in its hometown.